Qidi Q2 Multicolor 3D printer features air filter and promises perfect first layers. Why choose the Qidi Q2? The Qidi Q2 redefines your first 3D printer, user-friendly yet truly professional. For beginners, makers, educators, and engineers. A printer covers projects from entry-level to expert level, so you can create faster and rely on reliable results. Exclusive precision and stability features. The Q2 nozzle acts as a leveling sensor, ensuring unmatched first layer accuracy, regardless of print bed surface and with true plug and play. The PTC heating chamber of the second generation reaches 65 degrees heat to minimize deformation and guarantee strong layer adhesion. The improved 1.5 GT synchronous belt reduces vibration artifacts, VFA, and produces ultra-smooth surfaces. The Q2 handles all tasks with unmatched precision and reliability, features other printers don't. All-in-one performance, speed and quality. Constructed with a full metal core XY structure and precision linear guides, the Q2 achieves ultra-stable high-speed prints up to 600 ml. The 370 degrees high-temperature nozzle opens up advanced materials, while features such as auto-leveling, filament end and tangle detection with Qidi box, AI camera monitoring and power failure recovery guarantee reliable professional results every time. Multicolor and multi-material printing. The Q2 with Qidi box allows 3D printing with up to 16 colors and multiple materials through dry while printing's technology that keeps filaments dry for stable extrusion and smooth surfaces. Supports PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PA, PC, as well as carbon fiberglass composites for stable, precise prototypes and vibrant models. The Qidi Q2 is an enclosed 3D printer capable of handling multiple filaments simultaneously. One notable feature is its built-in filter system designed to help protect the user from potentially harmful emissions. Qidi has expanded its lineup of 3D printers with the newly launched Q2. Alongside the base model, available on Amazon for $549, the company also offers a higher-priced combo version that includes the Qidi box, which allows the printer to work with up to 4 colors at once. Rather than just providing passive storage, the box can maintain filaments at temperatures up to 65 degrees, 149 degrees. The Q2 supports as many as 4 Qidi boxes, enabling users to print with even more filaments in a single process. However, since the printer only has one print head, filament cutting is required when switching colors or materials. The Q2's chamber boasts a build volume of 256 million, 10.63 x 10.63 10.08 in, and can be heated to 65 degrees, 149 degrees. Its enclosed design enables air filtration, achieved through a 3-stage filter system that also employs activated carbon. According to official specs, the 3D printer supports a variety of filament materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and carbon fiber reinforced polymer. One of the Q2's standout features is its ability to accurately create first layers. Qidi says the printer utilizes a new leveling system in which the nozzle doubles as the sensor. Additionally, a special belt with increased tooth density helps minimize vibrations for enhanced precision. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment love to hear what you think.